1, 2, 3, 4. All right, are you excited? Because in this lesson, I'm going to show you exactly what I just played, which is the intro to Pretty Woman. All right, so welcome to Ukulele Pros. I'm Terry Carter, and welcome to Electric Ukulele Land. Now, do you have to have electric ukulele to play this? You do not, but it's so much funner. It's so much cooler if you did, and I'm going to open up the possibilities to you. By the way, I'm playing this Risa Telecaster Butterscotch. Oh, where's my thing? Wherever the bag is, it has my name in it because this one is actually mine. And if you want one of these, you can get one yourself. Store.ukelikethepros.com. All right, so let's get into this. This is Pretty Woman. It's just an intro, but it's really cool. Now, I'm going to do it with my 1970 Marshall Super Bass Plexi. You don't need to have that. Any amp will work. And I'm going to have some effects on. I'm going to have a little distortion on and a little delay as well. Just kind of beef it up a little bit. And I'm going to use a pick for this one as well. All right, and if you want to get better at not only the ukulele, but electric, that's right, electric ukulele, check out ukelikethepros.com. We got over 20 courses, premium membership, worldwide community, everything, become part of the Ukulele Pros Nation. All right, check this out. Here's the first part of the lick. Now, I was using a third effect earlier. What was that? Leave that comment below. All right, so I'm gonna do it a little differently than, there's a kind of an easier way, which is, what I don't like about it is all these open strings ringing out. So I want you to do it this way. I think it's cool. It's gonna go open, third string. Slide up to the fourth with my second finger. Second string, and then pinky on the sixth fret. So it's gonna. Now, what's cool about this intro, kind of different if you don't know about it, if you're gonna count, it's gonna go 1 and 2 and 3, 4, 1, 2. I know the amp's loud as me trying to talk over it, but there's gonna be a measure of 2, and then it's gonna repeat 1 and 2 and 3, 4, 1, 2, and then we're gonna do that next part of the lick 4 times. And we're gonna do it with a backing track at the end and everything. If you want the tab for this, a couple of options here. Just click the link below. We're gonna hook you up with that. But if you want the backing track and all this kind of cool extra stuff, you're gonna check out our Patreon page, patreon.com/ukelikethepros. All right, the second part of the lick is gonna be this. It's gonna start off the same, open, open. You can slide up to that 4, and then it's gonna go 3, 6, and then the next part, I'm gonna turn down just a little bit for the talking part. First string, 5, 3, and then up to the second string, 6. And that's the lick, and actually then you just repeat it. It's all 8th notes, so it's 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and... And then the last time, I'm just hitting that last note short and stopping it, and then we're out. So that's it. That's the whole thing. It's not super hard, but I do like kind of being up in this higher position because without the open strings, they don't ring out all the time. It helps when you have distortion and delay on. By the way, what was that last effect? A little wah-wah going on there. So we're having a good time here with our electric ukes. Do you have an electric uke? Do you have a solid body? This one right here is a Risa Telecaster, store.ukelikethepros.com. So, but anyway, leave that comment below. Are you ready? And if you're digging this video, make sure to share it. All right, so let's go ahead now. We're going to bring in the backing track. 1, 2, 3, 4. All All right. How did you do on it? Leave that comment below. If you need the sheet music, we'll put a link below. And again, if you want the backing track, a little bit of extras, check out our Patreon page for that. So anyway, just a little bit of what you can do on an electric ukulele. Of course, you don't need one like I mentioned earlier, but like I said, it's so much cooler if you have one and if you like this Risa Telecaster or a Stratocaster or a Les Paul. We have them all. Store.ukelikethepros.com. So thanks for being here. Hope you enjoyed it. Leave that comment below, and we'll see you next time.